Are you struggling to find the Twitter kit in the Fabric plugin for Android Studio? You're not alone. Many developers have faced this issue, and today we're going to solve it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're ready to integrate a feature, but you can't find it. It can feel like you're missing a crucial piece of the puzzle. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Here's the situation. A user recently asked, how do I install the Twitter kit using the Fabric plugin in Android Studio? They mentioned that they couldn't find the Twitter kit in the Fabric dashboard, even though it used to be there. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what could be happening here? The Twitter kit was previously part of Fabric, but changes in the platform may have affected its availability. We'll explore how to navigate these changes and get you set up. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your integration process smoother and more efficient. To begin installing the Twitter kit using the Fabric plugin, the user should first ensure that they have the latest version of the Fabric plugin installed in Android Studio. Next, the user needs to access the Fabric dashboard. They can do this by clicking on the Fabric icon in the toolbar of Android Studio. Once in the Fabric dashboard, the user should navigate to the Kits section. Here, they will find various kits available for integration. If the Twitter kit is not visible, the user may need to add it manually. They can do this by selecting the Add Kit option and searching for the Twitter kit. Finally, the user should sync their project with Gradle files to ensure that the Twitter kit is properly integrated. This can be done by clicking on the Sync Now button that appears. Fun fact, Twitter was originally called Tour and was just a side project for a podcasting company. Look how far it's come. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user faced a similar issue and found a solution. They suggest using specific code to install the Twitter kit. You can refer to the link provided for detailed guidance. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the official Twitter developer documentation for the latest updates and changes regarding the Twitter kit. This will save you time and headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to install the Twitter kit using the Fabric plugin in Android Studio. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.